mean, it is a bit wet though. It's well controlled, well controlled. Second gear, but I'm sure you know that. So I didn't want to be one of them knobby passengers that says you're in second, by the way. We've got one of those straight liners.
Yeah, totally. I can't get past it straight.
Yeah, I think it's just you keep it, you know, consistent-ish through there.
Yeah.
There's an ambulance moving for some reason.
Yeah, I saw that.
Because this car's very squirmy, isn't it?
It is really squirmy. Yeah.
Oh, there's a red flag now. It's a shame. Oh dear, they just spun.
Flag. concern.
we nearly went.
Yeah, it does. It feels really slick.
Oh, that Mustang very, very nearly went then. Well controlled by the Mustang.
Oh, it's red flagged.
Oh. Okay. Well, it's
Oh, it's behind us. Look, that's the VXR. It's the Astra in the wall.
oh damn.
See it?
Oh dear. Did you see that driving past there? Did you?
Yeah, he came past me.
No, as in when we went past
Oh
that.
no, I didn't see him in the wall.
Oh dear. So whilst we're going slowly, should we check out the sport thing? See how it sounds. Hopefully it doesn't like, you know, like make it a bit more. Oh,
Oh my god, what was that? What was that?
oh that sounded good.
Oh my god, it popped! I have a pop!
Pop and crackle car.
Wow, that was incredible.
I now think that when we come back in the drive, we'll be like professional
We'll be
fucking
gods.
race car drivers.
We'll take on Lewis Hamilton.
Exactly.
That was fun. That was fun. I am definitely getting quicker.
Yeah,
I'm definitely getting quicker.
Definitely. I would say you were quicker from the get-go though in this.
Oh really?
I would say so.
Yeah, a bit too reckless then.
No, not reckless.
No?
I think it is just the manual.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, quicker than what was in the McLaren. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that'll be it now, won't it? Because like 10 minutes until I've got to be up there. So. Yeah, look. See, he must have gone straight on. You see where the flashing lights are?
Oh dear.
Because he overtook me back there.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's funny though because he squirmed a little coming out of one of the corners.
Yeah.
He's obviously just come down this straight way too quick.
Yeah.
Them little Clios are so cool.
I'm in the garage this for her.
Yeah.
It's hard to engage in reverse this car.
You've got parking sensors.
Nope.
Nice.
There we go. I won't get too close. Oh, can you imagine that? Oh god.
Right, cup of tea.
So yeah, that was good.
It was good.
I mean, yeah. The thing is, it's like getting used to controlling the squirms as well. Like you say, that we've had what 4 or 5 different, one proper one where I thought, oh dear.
Yeah,
But they are actually quite easy to control. They're not.
It's just when the main thing is when you know the back of the car starts.
Yeah, going.
You just gotta steer in, accelerate.
Yeah.
Until you can not hard accelerate though, like gradual.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, you've got to go like that. Yeah, because the thing is, like you were saying, like try not to lift off, but that's really hard not to lift off.
Yeah,
Because if you feel it, your natural instinct is like, whoa.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
almost. Oh, you want to brake,
Yeah, exactly. But that's when you'll spin.
Exactly. Yeah.
And I think, and obviously because you're not intentionally trying to drift, so I think the thing is you keep the power gradual and then just gradually straighten the steering wheel at the same time.
Yes. Yeah.
And obviously it'll sort itself out. But,
that was cool.
It'll be good to go out with that guy though, I think.
Yeah, well, definitely.
I don't know if you heard, but he said he's a
Formula 3.
Yeah.
Formula 3 driver. Yeah. Because he came up to my window. He goes, if you want, I'll take you out. I'll come out with you and
that'd be really
give you some pointers and that. I said, I said, I am going to be slow. And he's like, mate, he goes, it doesn't matter, no problem at all. He goes, I've got no problem with that. I was like, okay, cool.
No, yeah, it'd be good to go out with him.
Yeah, it would, yeah.
Definitely.
It's almost like a second session of tuition, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
It's cool.
From a fucking race car.
Yeah. That's what it's all about. It's all about learning, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's about growing your confidence and getting better at it. So it's...
It wouldn't be any fun if you were an expert from the get-go.
No, absolutely. Absolutely.
You're not learning anything new that way.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.